Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to continue remaining part of chapter 3. In previous video we have started point the Bosles of Veru. Today remaining part of this point we are going to continue. Bosles of Veru, they became rich and powerful. Do you know students why they became rich and powerful? Because Nizam Shah has conferred on the Maloji Raje the Jagir of Pune and Supe Parganas. Maloji Raje's wife was Umabai. She came from the house of the Nimbalkars of Fulton. Students, in previous points we have seen there were 5 Sardars, and who were there? Jadavs of Sindakhed, Nimbalkars of Fulton, Ghorpades of Mudol, Mores of Javli, and Bhosles of Verur. And these Bhosles of Verur became rich because Nizam Shah had conferred on Maloji Raje the Jagir of Pune and Supe Parganas. Maloji Raje was belonged to the family of Bhosles of Verur, and Umabai was belonged to the family of Nimbalkars of Fulton. Maloji Raje and Umabai, they had two sons, Shahaji and Sharifji. Maloji Raje was killed in the Battle of Indapur. At that time, Shahaji was only 5 years old. When Maloji Raje was killed in the Battle of Indapur, that time Vithoji Raje looked after the children and the Jagir of Maloji Raje. Students, do you know who is the Vithoji Raje? Vithoji Raje is the brother of Maloji Raje. In previous video I have seen Babaji Raje had two sons, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. And Maloji Raje was killed in the Battle of Indapur. So Vithoji Raje looked after the children and the Jagir of Maloji Raje. Maloji Raje also had two sons, Shahaji and Sharifji. When Maloji Raje was killed in the Battle of Indapur, that time Vithoji Raje looked after the Shahaji and Sharifji. And students, do you know who is the Shahaji? Shahaji is the father of Shivaji Maharaj. Later, Vithoji Raje asked in marriage for Shahaji, the daughter of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav. Means here, Vithoji Raje asked for the proposal of marriage of Shahaji and Jizabai. Jizabai, the daughter of Lakhoji Rao, was well favored by the gods. Here, well favored means good looking. Means here, by the gods' blessing, she was good looking. Lakhoji Rao Jadhav accepted Vithoji Raje's proposal. Here, which proposal? The proposal of marriage of Shahaji Raje and Jizabai. Lakhoji Rao was a brave and valiant Sardar in the court of Nizam Shah. Valiant means brave. He kept a large army of his own. He was having his own large army. He commanded great respect and honor at the court of Nizam Shah. Commanded means what? To deserve. Means he deserved a great respect and honor at the court of Nizam Shah. He celebrated the wedding of Shahaji Raje and Jizabai with great pomp. Pomp means what here? Grand celebration. Jizabai became the fortune of the Bhosle family. Here fortune means power, and Jizabai became the fortune of the Bhosle family. Next point we are going to see, that is Shahaji Raje. Nizam Shah transferred to Shahaji Raje the Jagir he had conferred on Maloji Raje. Nizam Shah conferred on Maloji Raje the Jagir of Pune and Supe Parganas. That Jagir only he has transferred or given to Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was a brave and capable man held in great respect at the court of Nizam Shah. Shahaji Raje was brave and capable man, and he got or he received respect at the court of Nizam Shah. The Mughal emperor decided to conquer the kingdom of Nizam Shah. For this, he made an alliance with the Adil Shah of Bijapur. Alliance means agreement. Mughal Emperor Akbar he had decided to conquer means capture, take in his hand the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Mean Nizam Shah's which territory it is there or area that who won't take in hand Mughal Emperor Akbar, and for that reason he made an alliance means agreement with Adil Shah of Bijapur. Means here Mughal Emperor took help of Adil Shah to capture the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje fought bravely to save Nizam Shahi. They defeated both the armies. To save the Nizam Shahi means to save the kingdom of Nizam Shah, who fought bravely Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje. Here, defeated means having been beaten in battle means पराजय करणे means Malik Ambar and Shahaji they defeated the both the armies. Both the armies means who? Mughal Emperor Akbar and Adil Shah. For both their armies, Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje defeated. This battle means what? War, took place at Bhatawadi near Ahmednagar. Sharif Ji, the brother of Shahaji Raje, was killed in this battle. Shahaji Raje displayed great valor. Valor means courage. Shahaji Raje displayed or showed the courage. He was praised everywhere as a brave general. Here, general means commander of an army. His reputation means Shahaji Raje's reputation in the court was so enhanced that even Malik Ambar began to feel jealous of him. Now, reputation means was prestige or honor. Whatever honor, prestige Shahaji Raje was getting in the court of Nizam Shah, because of that, who was jealous? Malik Ambar. Here, enhance means what? Increase. Means day by day, the reputation of Shahaji Raje it was increasing. So Malik Ambar was jealous of him. This gradually led to antagonism between them. Antagonism means what? The feeling of hate. Means Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje. Between them there was antagonism. Means feeling of hate. Here gradually means what? Slowly over a period of time. Means gradually there was antagonism between Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje. As a result, Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and joined the court of Adil Shah at Bijapur. Because of the antagonism between Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and he joined Adil Shahi of Bijapur. Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and joined Adil Shahi of Bijapur, so Adil Shah honored him with the title of Sar Lashkar, means Chief of Army. Later, there were many developments in Nizam Shahi. After Malik Ambar died, his scheming son means what? Cunning, making a secret plan like this son. Fateh Khan, he became a Wazir of Nizam Shahi, means he started to look after Nizam Shahi. Here Wazir means Chief Minister. Fateh Khan became the Chief Minister of Nizam Shahi Kingdom. The Wazir Malik Ambar died. His scheming son Fateh Khan became the Wazir of Nizam Shahi. During his period, the Nizam Shahi began to decline. Means during the period of Fateh Khan, the Nizam Shahi began to decline, means fall down. It was fully destroyed. At about the same time, there was a threat of Mughal aggression. Here, threat means what? See, a statement of an intention of injury or damage, means in Marathi we say dhamki. And aggression means attack. Means there was about the same time there was a threat of Mughal aggression, means there Mughals were ready to attack on them. So Nizam Shah's mother appealed to Shahaji Raje to return to Nizam Shahi and save it. Here appeal means request, and therefore Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi. See students, Nizam Shah's mother appealed to Shahaji Raje to return to Nizam Shahi. and save it. For that reason, Shahaji Raje left Adil Shah and returned to Nizam Shahi. Here is the end of this chapter. I hope all of you understood this chapter. Today's homework, students, which points today I have thought that you have to read. Thank you.